Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get base skin in Last War Survival. In Last War Survival, getting base skins is a mix of gameplay rewards and paid options. You can see some skins available directly in your headquarters, but limited time skins may not appear there. Some skins are unlocked through events, such as achieving high ranks in 3v3, arena battles, or alliance competitions. These rewards often start at level 70 and may not be permanent, lasting only as long as you maintain your rank. For casual players, simply participating in events and progressing in the arena can gradually earn temporary skins and cosmetic upgrades without spending money. However, most of the high level permanent base skins, like the Chin helicopter or mushroom, require in game purchases, often around 400 USD for guaranteed success. So if you plan to collect these exclusive skins, ensure it fits your budget and priorities. For permanent high tier skins, investing money is usually necessary, while casual event participation still offers fun rewards and visual variety. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.